I hope you are enjoying your Disney vacation. I know I am, at least mentally, right? You are down to only a few more days of our Disney vacation, so you better enjoy it. All right, today is day 5. Today, we are having snacks. I don't know about you, but there are a few places in the world where you can get some other cool snacks. When everything is shaped like Mickey Mouse, hello, so great. All right, while walking miles through the park, your family and friends decide to get a snack. Complete the following slide to find out how much the snacks will cost. Yeah, you thought yesterday was expensive. Well, today we're just going to add a little bit more on. So I'm going to zoom in and click here. And I'm going to come back to this. All right, so here are the different snacks we have available to us. We have an ice cream bar, pepperoni pizza, pretzel, ice cream sandwich, cheese crackers, popcorn, and water. Okay, so our instructions say, how many snacks did I have at Disney and how much did I spend on them? All right, so first question, how many snacks did you have? Well, friends, you're going to have to add up all of these snacks and you're going to have to put it down here. All right, this chart also has 4 columns. We have the snack column, tells you the type of snack. We have the quantity column, which tells us how many of something that we ate. And then you have the price, that's how much it's going to cost. And then the price of one. And then the total is the total price for all of those. So let's do the ice cream bars. So I'm going to scooch back up. And the ice cream bar is $4. So I'm going to come in here, double click, and I'm going to type $4. Now, I bought 8 of those. Hopefully I was sharing with my friends. Otherwise, I'm going to be very, very sick. But I know 4 times 8 is what? If you said 32, you're correct. So I'm going to write down $32. All right. Let's skip down. Let's go cheese crackers. Cheese crackers, I hope they're super nice cheese crackers. They're expensive. Are $6.50. Okay. Now, how many in all did I eat? 4. You are correct. So, I'm going to take $6.50 and I'm going to times it by 4. So, we have 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2. And 4 times 6 is 24. Add 2 is 26. Now I have 2600. But right here on 650, we have 2 numbers behind the decimal. So I have to move my decimal over 2 places. And that gives me $26. Now, here's what you need to do. You need to go through. Remember, this is how much one of them costs. Then you're going to multiply it with how many, or the quantity that you bought to get your total price. When you are all done, you need to add up the entire quantity and put the answer down here. And I'm going to fix that in just a minute because there's not a box there. And then you're going to add up all of your purchases and put the total at the bottom. So I don't know about you, but this is making me hungry. I think I'm going to have to go pop some popcorn so I can pretend I'm actually eating popcorn from the Disney Kingdom, from the Magic Kingdom. All right, use your multiplying skills. Remember, if there are 2 numbers behind the decimal in your problem, there needs to be 2 numbers behind your decimal in your answer. Don't forget that decimal. It is very, very important. All right, guys, happy snacking.